In this SoapUI tutorial for beginners, let us learn web service mocking in SoapUI tool. Web service mocking is a useful feature in SoapUI automation testing. Now when a web service is under development, we have to wait for it to be completed before we can test its clients. In SoapUI tool, you can start software testing even before the web service is live. How can you do that? You can simulate a web service using a mock service. This mock service can be run by SoapUI. You can send requests and get predefined responses from the mock web service. This way you can pretend to have a working web service to test the client software's integration with that web service. Now let us see an example of mocking service SoapUI. I've just created a project with name as web service mocking with an initial WSDL. Now right click any SOAP interface in the project and click on Generate SOAP Mock Service menu option. Select only numbers to dollars and click on the OK button. We can name the web service anything, say mock service 1, and click on the OK button. This opens the mock service editor. Now you can see that the mock service has only one response. In the navigator, double click the response to open the response editor. This is the response editor. Replace the question mark with any predefined value. We can put, let's say, $100 here. Now in this mock response editor, click on Opens creates a request for this mock response button to create a request. Now we can create a new request, say request 1, and click on the OK button. Replace question mark with any predefined value. Let us say we put 1 here. Now when you submit this request, there is an error. So here we can see error getting response. Why is there an error? Because the mock service is not yet running. You have to run the mock service first. So let us run the mock web service. Now the mock web service is running, and go to the request and submit the request again. So here we can see that we got the mock response back. The mock service sends a predefined response of $100. Now save your project. Now right click on the mock operation, and here we can click on New Mock Response menu option. This way you can create as many responses as you want to test the web service. Now in this SoapUI beginner tutorial, let us see a mock service SoapUI REST. Let us import the sample project. Click on the Open button. This is a SoapUI REST mock service example. You can double click to open the account creation mock. Let us close all the previous windows. Stop the web service. Now account creation mock has two mock actions. There is a get and there is a post. Double click on post mock action, and we can see that the post mock action has 3 responses: successful, already existing user, and internal server error. We can double click on the successful mock action, and here we can see that it has a HTTP status code. There is a plus icon to add a new header. There is a response body in the editor pane, and there is a script button to open Groovy script editor. Now How to create REST mock service in SoapUI. In order to create mock REST service SoapUI, you need to create the mock service, its actions and responses. Right click the project and click New REST mock service. Menu option. Enter a name. Say we want to give account update mock and click on the OK button. Next thing we need to do is add a response to it. So let us say we want to add a get method. Double click on get, and here we have to give the response. And change the type to text/HTML. This is how you create a SoapUI mock REST service. I hope this gives you an overview of how to create a mock REST service in SoapUI. Please see my other SoapUI testing tutorials to get a good command in SoapUI automation and SoapUI testing. Thank you.